Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send and get WhatsApp message on successful Instamojo payment. So here I am selling my products online with the help of the payment gateway, that is Instamojo. So I'm managing all the transactions related to my store with the help of Instamojo. And my objective is that whenever a customer is going to place an order for a product from a store with the help of Instamojo, that is the payment gateway, automatically the message should be sent to that same customer for their order confirmation. Along with this, I also want to receive the WhatsApp message for each of the order. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up the connection between Instamojo and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. Here, for sending and receiving the WhatsApp messages in the template format, I am going to use AI Sensei. But if you want, you can also use any other application in place of AI Sensei. So if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to get and send WhatsApp messages for Instamojo sale. So here I am selling my products online with the help of payment gateway, that is Instamojo, and my objective is that for each and every order which is being placed by the customer, I want to send a confirmation message for the order to that customer, and also for the internal requirements I want to receive the notification of that order as WhatsApp message. So here how we are going to automate this entire process such that every time an order will be placed by the customer, whenever a Instamojo sale will be made, we are going to receive the WhatsApp messages, as well as automatically for that order the confirmation message will be sent to the customer as well. So here we are going to automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, with the help of which we are going to set up the connection between Instamojo and AI Sensei, through which we are going to send template messages on WhatsApp to all the customers. Pabbly Connect helps us to automate all the repetitive tasks of our work on regular basis without any coding and any programming skills by connecting our work applications with each other. Let's get started. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button. It will create a free new account for you just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created, and to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders over here. Now to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a new dialog box is open in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to the workflow. So first of all, let me enter the name over here. Send and get WhatsApp message on successful Instamojo payment. After giving the name to my workflow, I am going to select the folder. So you can see I have a list of folders over here which I have created for different purposes. Now to create and save this workflow, I'm going to select this folder, WhatsApp Marketing Automations, and then I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, a screen is open in front of us which contains two extremely important windows: trigger and actions. What are trigger and action? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that as soon as a new payment will be received through Instamojo, that means when a sale will be made in Instamojo account, then I want to capture the response and I want to receive WhatsApp message and send WhatsApp message to my customer. For that, let's suppose I'm going to take Instamojo in trigger and AI Sensei in action. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, you will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the sale is made on Instamojo, then only the message will be sent on WhatsApp with the help of AI Sensei, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating our automation step by step. To start with the workflow, first of all, we will select our trigger application, that will be Instamojo. Let's select that, Instamojo V1. Then we will select the trigger event, on the happening of which event you want to capture the response. My objective is that as soon as a new sale will be made on Instamojo, then I want to capture the response. So here we have received a webhook URL, and also we have received some instructions along with this. We will follow the given instructions step by step to build this connection by inserting the webhook URL inside our Instamojo account. We can only build the connection between a specific product of Instamojo and Pabbly Connect. So when the sale will be made for that specific product, then only the response is going to be captured. You have to keep in mind that. So let's copy the webhook URL because it is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new sale from Instamojo for a specific product towards Pabbly Connect. And then I'm going to take you towards my Instamojo account. These are all the products which I'm selling. If you want, you can also insert the webhook inside smart page. So let me select a smart page over here. Let's say here I'm going to select the page of designer dress. So this is the smart page which I have created. I'm going to open this page. We'll go towards edit page option. Over here we have the option of page settings, and when we'll scroll down over here we have the option of webhook. So let's select that. Over here in this field of webhook URL, we have to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I will delete the existing one. And here I'm going to paste the recent webhook URL which we have received from Pabbly Connect. Then it is asking us information to be sent. I want only the successful payment should be sent towards Pabbly Connect. So here I have selected the tag that when the payment will be successful with this smart page, then I want to capture the response. And then we'll simply click on save and update. As we have done that, the connection is built between the designer dress smart page and Pabbly Connect. So let's move forward. Here it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply making the payment on the smart page by simply purchasing a product. So this is the smart page which we have recently connected. When I'm going to click on three dots, I will click on share page. This is the link of the page. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to open it in a new tab, let's say. As we will do that, this is the designer dress for which I have created the smart page and for which I'm going to make the payment. So now I'm going to click on pay now option and will enter the details of the customer who is purchasing this product. Let's say the name of that customer is smart customer. Let's say the email of this customer is smartcustomer@pabblytudes.com. Let's say the phone number of this customer is, and then I'm going to click on proceed to pay. Here are the options which we can select for making the payment. So I'm going to select credit or debit card. And now I'm going to enter the details of the card to make this payment. After entering the details of the card, now I'm going to click on pay now to make this payment. And over here you can see that the payment is successful. So as the payment is successful, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here the response is received. So when the response is received, here we have all the details. One by one we will read them. First of all, we have the account ID, the status of the payment, that is success. Then we have the resource URI, we have the payment ID, we have the currency, that is INR, we have the date and time of the payment, the amount which is received, we have the page ID, the authentication code, and the product which is being purchased. And along with this, we have the customer details as well. And these are the exact details which we have entered while submitting the payment. This means our connection between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now every time a new sale will be made in Instamojo, automatically the response is going to be captured. When the response is received for a new sale, our objective is to send a confirmation message to the customer who has placed the order on WhatsApp. So for that, now I'm going to build the connection between AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect. For that, we'll move forward towards our action step. We will select our action application as WhatsApp by AI Sensei. And then we will select the action event that will be send template message. Let's click on connect. For building this connection, we have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. In case if you already have an existing connection, just go with that. To create a new connection, you have to go towards add new connection and then you have to provide the API key. So you can see I'm already logged into my AI Sensei account. To get the API key from the left side, you can see the option of manage. After coming on manage section, here we have the API key. So this is our API key. Let's copy it. We'll move back and paste it over here. Done. Let's click on save. And as we have done that, the connection between WhatsApp by AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So first of all, I want to send the message to my customers. Okay, to do that, first of all, here it is asking us the campaign name. So for sending the template WhatsApp message, you will have to create a template first of all, and then you have to link that template with a live campaign. And then you have to enter the name of that campaign over here in this field. Then only you will be able to send the message automatically. So to understand this, I'm going to take you towards my AI Sensei account. We'll go towards the template section. Here we'll go towards all templates, and these are all the templates which I have created for different purposes. For sending the order confirmation message to all my customers for Instamojo payment, I have created this template with the name as Instamojo confirmation. So here we have the message. This is a preview of the message. Thank you for your purchase with Sparkle Store. It says Sparkle Store is the name of my online store through which I am selling the products. So this is the message, and you can see I have used two variables in this message for the name and for the order ID. I have used a variable so that the details in these places could be changed with each and every new response. And in this way, I'm going to send automated WhatsApp message to all my customers for their order confirmation, that too in the personalized format according to different order ID and different names. Okay, so you can also use variables in your template as much as you want. Once you will complete your template, it will be sent for approval, and when it will be approved, you will be able to use it. So first of all, to use this template, you will have to link it with a campaign. So this is the name of my template, as you can see, Instamojo sale confirmation. From the left side, we can see the option of campaign. So now we are going to launch a new campaign. So we'll go towards API campaign, and here first of all, you have to provide a name to the campaign. So let's say the name of my campaign is Instamojo sale. Okay, and let's say the template is Instamojo sale confirmation. So I've linked my template which I've created for sending the messages to all my customers with this campaign which we have recently created. This is the preview of the message. So here the template is linked with the campaign. Now we are going to set live this campaign, and we'll go towards the campaign section. Here this is the campaign which is ready and it is live. So now I'm going to simply copy the name of the campaign which we have recently created. We will move back and paste it over here. Now as we have done that, the next is the mobile number. So to whom you want to send this message. The receiver of the message is the customer who has placed the order, and we have received all the details of the customer in our earlier response. So by using this response, we are going to enter the mobile number. Not by typing or copy and pasting, we will insert it directly from the previous step and we will map it. So this is the phone number given of the customer. I have selected it and it is mapped. This means that now when I have mapped this number, it has become dynamic. So automatically with each and every new response, it is going to replace. So every time a new sale will be made in Instamojo and the response of that successful payment is going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect, the details which we are going to map are going to automatically replace. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process of sending WhatsApp messages for the order confirmation to each of the customer. Now it is asking us the username. Who is the receiver of the message? The receiver is the person who has purchased the product. So the name of the customer will be appear over here as a username. And again, I have mapped that. If you want, you can enter the lead source over here. You can provide the tags to your leads or the customers. And now the very important step is the template parameter. Over here, you have to provide the values for the variables which you have used in your template. As I told you, I have used two variables in my template. First for the name and the second is for the order ID. So one by one, I'm going to map the values for each of them. First of all, the first variable is for the name. So I'm going to map the name of the customer. I will use a comma, a space. Then we have to enter the ID. So here I'm going to enter the order ID. That means the payment ID. Okay, done. This is the template parameter. In this way, you have to enter the multiple template parameters over here. After that, if you want to attach any document along with the message, such as the product brochure, product image, etc., or the video, so you can enter the URL of that media type over here and the file name as well. Then I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button directly. And as we have done that, you can see that the response is captured. This means the message is sent. So let us go and check on the number which we have mapped over here, whether the message is received or not. And yes, over here the message is received. Hi, smart customer. Great news. Your order has been confirmed. We have received your payment for this particular ID and are now preparing your items with care. Thank you for choosing us. We can't wait for you to enjoy your purchase. Warm regards, Sparkle Store. Thank you for the purchase with Sparkle Store. So this is the message. And yes, here we have the customer's name as well as the ID. Now, up till here, this means our connection is absolutely successful. So now our objective is to receive the WhatsApp message as well as a notification for each order which is being placed. So for that, once again, we are going to set up the connection between AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect. Let's click on this Add Action Step button. Over here, our action application will be WhatsApp by ASNC. If you want, you can also clone this step, but I'm going to show you once again. Here we have the action event, that is send template message. Let's click on connect. We'll go with the existing connection only. Now the next campaign name. Once again, I'm going to launch the campaign. I will first of all take you towards the template section once again. And this is the next template which I have created for receiving the WhatsApp messages notification with all the details of the customer. So this particular template contains three variables: the order number, that means the order ID, the name of the customer, and the amount which is received. This is the message for myself or for my team internal process. Okay, so here this template is already approved. So now I'm going to link it with the campaign. We'll go towards the campaign section. Let's launch another campaign. We'll go towards the API campaign once again. Here we have the details. So first of all, I'm going to give the name to my campaign. Let's say as new sale notification. Then we have to enter the template. So we are going to give the name of the template as order notification internal. And here you can see that this is the preview of the message. Let's set the campaign live quickly. We'll go to the campaign, copy the name of the campaign, and we'll paste it over here. Then it is asking us the mobile number. So on which number you want to receive the message. Here I want to receive the message myself. So here I'm going to enter the number of my own. Okay, then here we have the username. So I'm going to enter Sparkle Store. This is the name of my store. Now I'm going to enter the parameter. So the first variable is for the order number. So I'm going to enter the order ID over here. That is the payment ID. Use a comma, space, then for the name of the customer. So here I'm going to map the name of the customer. And over here I'm going to map the amount as well. Okay, done. Now we are going to simply click on Save and Send Test Request button. And over here we have the response. So as the response is received, let me open my WhatsApp and check whether the message is received or not. And yes, here we have the message. So we have received a message for our internal notification as well. And here we can create a record with this for all the orders, the order ID and the amount. And we will be able to check the order quickly as soon as it is being placed. So this means our connection is absolutely successful. And now we will quickly summarize what we have done actually in this workflow. So we have taken very simple steps: trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Instamojo, and in action, we have taken WhatsApp by AI Sensi. And we have connected all of them in such a way that as soon as a new sale will be made in Instamojo by a customer, automatically a message will be sent to that same customer for the order confirmation, as well as we are going to receive a WhatsApp notification for that same order with all the details. So we have automated the entire process. I hope this automation is clear to you. It is helpful for you. You can also very easily create it by following the same steps which I've shown in the video. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.